Update on the floods, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the Breede River burst its banks. Worst flood in 100 years, I'm hearing. A lot of damage. A lot of houses underwater. This is going to be an insurance nightmare for whoever's got to pay for all of this. You can see all the debris that's been washed down the river. Higher up the river, there's a bit of sort of wooded area around Swellendam. This is probably where this is coming from. Last floods, I think, was it 2008? A good 10 years ago, there was a massive flood here as well that leveled the place. Every 10 to 15 years, they get a biggie through here. So if you've got a holiday house here, you're kind of on tenterhooks if you got river frontage with these people here. Absolutely smashed. Thanks to keeping it real for the footage. I actually went here for my birthday last year. One of these houses here that's underwater. I think even that one. Yo. Ain't gonna be renting nothing out for a while here. Absolute disaster for any homeowner. Sheer amounts of damage is quite astounding. Massive amount of water come down. Never seen it this wide before. So a popular holiday destination, the Breede River, for water skiing, kayaking, white river rafting higher up the river. With Felix Unit and the boys. But yeah, it's a pretty desperate state now. Malchus Hotel's probably flooded again. That's the popular hotel where you get houseboats and whatnot. Actually, in some of the footage I see the houseboat cruising down the river, which is not ideal. Not ideal whatsoever, ladies and gentlemen. It's all kicking off. Hundreds of millions of rands of damage, I'd imagine. There's some really nice houses here. Sort of 5 to 10 million rand jobs, easy. This is definitely going to affect the price. Probably a good time to get property on the Breede. Hectic damage, China. Wonder if Katie's Landing got taken out. It's quite a good self-catering place. So there you can see a lot of sediments come down, wash down the river. I mean, in some ways, floods are good for the farmers. It's in terms of soil, getting some fresh soil into new areas. I mean, it's vital for the Nile River to have floods. So on some levels, it's very much a disaster, especially if you've got property there or loss of life. Our thoughts go out to you, but it's also part of the natural way of things, these events. We just got to roll with the punches. That's why you take out insurance for things like this. But yeah, still good luck with the cleanup there. It's going to be a big old task. The pond probably got washed away as well. Absolute disaster. That's the hotel there. Sure, it came up high. And this is closer to Robertson. Big farmlands here, a lot of flooding, a lot of damage. Sure. This whole estate's been put underwater. I mean, well, that's... Sure, I mean, that's when you really got to lean on your family and friends when this kind of thing happens. It's hectic. These are the dangers of building near rivers, sadly, on lower lying areas. You run the risk in the Western Cape. This kind of thing is not uncommon. Heavy rains. That's why they call it the Cape of Storms. And it's certainly lived up to its name over the last little while. Sure, the construction industry must be very busy during this. In some ways, on some levels, it's good for sort of job creation and stimulus. But there's so much work that needs to be done. But obviously, for the people who are affected, it's a real kick in the teeth. And our thoughts go out to you. And to finish off on a slightly more humorous note, here's some footage from some guys in Lakeside who are promoting their new wine. Take care. Catch you next time. Africa Sideways. Peace.